Hello everyone, welcome back to Journal Output. It's me Zainab Altaf, and today in this video I'm going to show you how you can unlock your iPhone iCloud MEID iPhone with SIM call fix and with everything fix. This is a new released and recently released tool that I'm going to talk about, and this is going to support the new versions of the iOS like 14.5.1, 14.5 and 12.5.3. As you can see, this is my iPhone. It is an activation lock and it is having iOS 14.5.1, and I'm going to show you that my iPhone is MEID and I'm going to unlock its SIM, and then everything is going to get unlocked in it. As you can see, this is my iPhone and it is MEID. It is not GSM. It is written over here. So to do this whole process, you actually need the MacBook, and if you don't have MacBook, you can download and install the Hackintosh. And if you want to know more about how you can dual boot the Hackintosh with Windows, then you can go through my YouTube channel and search it out. I have uploaded a video on that. So here I'm going to open the official website of the Checkra, and from here you can download the Checkra and install it. Right here you can see this is the new version of the Checkra 0.1.2.3 beta. I have already downloaded it and installed it, so I already have it. Here it is, you can see. So first of all, I'm going to connect my iPhone to the Mac. So after connecting it, you can see it is saying like this. This is the way it is saying. So for that, we are going to click on the options. So let's click on options. And after that, let's click on the first option which says allow untested iOS versions. And then click on back. So now you can see it is successfully connected. Now to begin, we're going to click on start, and here we're going to click on OK because we're doing it at our own risk. So let's click on OK, and now let's click on next, and here iPhone is entering into recovery mode. So after that, when we click on start, it is going to instruct us to put our phone into DFU mode according to our different devices. So when I click on start, it is going to instruct me to put my phone into DFU mode according to my device. So let's put it into DFU mode. And after that, it is booting. Let's wait. Until you wait, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to receive each kind of new update on time, as I am sharing this update with you guys. Smash the like button and share this video as much as you can. So now as you can see, it is all done, and now I will show you my iPhone is an activation lock, and we will close the Checkra. So let's close the Checkra, and let me show you my iPhone is an activation lock. Set up manually, continue. So as you can see, my iPhone is an activation lock. So now I'll show you whole the process how you can unlock your MEID iPhone with everything fixed and SIM call fix. Here's the tool. The link for the tool is in down description box. You can download it from there. I'm going to open the tool. After opening it, it is going to say like this, due to some security problems. So for that, I'm going to click on OK. Just click on OK. Don't worry about it. And then we are going to go in settings. And here you will see an option of security and privacy. So let's click on it. And after that, you have to click on open anyway. So let's click on it, and after that you again have to click on open. So after that you will see here the installation wizard, and after that we are going to click on OK, continue. So let's click on continue, and after that we have to click on install to install this. And here it's going to ask you the password of your Mac. You have to give your password. So as you can see, the installation was successful. It means it is successfully installed. Now we're going to click on close. And here we're going to go on Launchpad, and this is the tool. Let's open it. Let's click on it, Mina MEID. And here you can see this is Mina MEID Activator 2.1. It means it is the new released one. And first of all, I'm going to connect my iPhone to the Mac. And as you can see, it is successfully connected. iOS 14.5.1. Here you have to click on the activate device. So now it is saying that your serial number is not registered because I don't want to unlock my iPhone. If you want to, you can register your serial number and you can do it. I hope you understood all this process. Hope you liked it. Thank you for watching the video.